Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to pay independent contractors in QuickBooks Online. By the end of this video, you'll feel confident navigating the payment process and making sure everything is recorded correctly. Let's get started. First, log into your QuickBooks Online account. From the left-hand menu, click on Expenses. This section is where all your outgoing transactions are managed, including contractor payments. Next, go to the Contractors tab. Here, you'll see a list of all the independent contractors you work with, along with their details. Take a moment to find the contractor you want to pay and make sure their information is correct. This helps keep your records accurate. Once you're ready, click on the Pay Contractors button at the top right. This will open the payment window. Now, enter the payment details. Select the contractor, input the amount you are paying, and choose the correct payment date. Also make sure you select the right account you are paying from, such as your bank account. You can add a memo to describe what the payment is for, like a specific service or project. It's also important to choose the correct category, such as contract labor, so your financial reports stay organized. Before finalizing, double-check everything, the contractor name, amount, and date to avoid any mistakes. Once everything looks good, confirm the payment. QuickBooks will record it and update your expense records automatically. And that's it. Paying contractors in QuickBooks Online is simple once you know the steps, and keeping your records accurate helps you stay organized and professional. That's all for today's video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.